Assalamu alaikum friends, thank you for watching my previous video. In my previous video I have discussed on learning data science and what is the importance of that and how we can learn the primary step, that is a programming language in order to move towards data science, that is called Python. Today I will let you know that is how we can create our Python environment into our machines, because we know that is we have to install the Python package from Python official website, so that we can work on that. And also I will let you know how we can execute the Python program using shell or IDE, and there is a PyCharm. So let's start that. So to install Python into your machine, first you have to go to official website of Python, that is python.org. Just click over here, and after that go to download. Here we will find the latest version of Python, so based on your operating system given, and this is by default 64-bit. And if you are using less than that or something else, you can find it that is 32-bit or something from here. And there is uh, you can change the bit process or system bit process from here. So you can download any one this, and you have to see that is what actually complies for your machine. That is for your example I want to show in my PC. And if you go to, okay, let me show you once again. If you go to your my computer and click right button and go to properties, you will get to show that system type is 64 bits operating systems. It means any software you have to install in your PC that must comply 64 bits. And so as my PC is on 64 bits, so I will definitely go with the default one, which is already published in the Python official website. And if you just click on download, it will start downloading the software for you. But I'm not going to do it right now. It's a very small software. It takes 2 to 3 minutes actually. You have seen that just I have given the download, and instantly almost the download process has been completed. And after that we'll go to the application file or exe file, then click on run. Then we don't okay, this is very important things you must remember when you are installing Python. Must select this option, that is add Python 3.9 to path. It means your computer or your machine should know that is what should be the path to execute the program. The path has to be defined. By default it remains unchecked, but I will request you to check it, so that and if you don't do it, then manually you have to go to the system file and you have to define the path. Otherwise the program is not going to execute. And you can do something, what things you should actually launch or what you will do. I don't need documentations, is a huge file. I really don't need it. So install Python documentation file, or yes, you can you can use it, but I don't need it. I mean, I usually don't do that. Then what should you actually that is I have selected everything, then click on install. Okay, it is asking for the permission and I have done it. Another thing you have to do it, that is we have to install ideally. Yes, sorry, I have to go to the browser again. PyCharm In www.jetbrain.com you will find the PyCharm. This is IDE for executing Python. Click on download, you will be taken the download page, and after that here you will find your file as per your operating system. May make sure that you download the correct operating system files which supported in your PC. And another thing, here are two packages you will find. One is professional package, another is community package. For both actually scientific and web application developments, and with HTML, other jQuery, these all are supported. And it is, I also recommend everyone to use a professional one, but for learning purpose, yeah, or initially the community version is okay with. So let's download the community versions, and the download will be immediately started. You don't need to subscribe anywhere, otherwise you will get some mail and notifications, other things. I don't think that you will like that. What should I say? What is the drive? Okay. The download will immediately start. Let's see what is the download speed right now. I'm having 3 MB almost. Okay, that's a pretty good download speed I'm having. So by now my Python installation process already or almost finished. So this is how we have to install a Python package or Python uh, for Windows PC. There's a few things you must be careful while you are installing. Then this path must be defined or checked. Otherwise, you need to manually do it. Maximum times when we do this process, so we often forget to check this. Actually, this is this options of Python updated in recent few versions, and previously what we had to do, we had to manually uh, mm, define the paths in Python solutions, which was quite complex, or sometimes we feel that yes, what is not happening, why the program is not being executed. Okay, I will go for a bit pause until, okay, do I need, I don't think so. Okay, let's talk by this way. Mm. So learning Python is nothing. You need to invest your time, and you need to be passionate about learning a programming language. I am a beginner, and I also don't know anything regarding coding. Okay, and I thought that because I should learn it, because incoming job market, data science, data analysis, business analysis, these are the most valuable job platforms upcoming. And to make myself perfect, or to go with the train, definitely if I don't update myself, if I don't acquire new technology, if I don't uh, uh, learn news, or if I'll be out of markets. So definitely, being a professionals, I must welcome, or we all must welcome these new technology and new process. For that, few things to be sharpened in, since we have already done a lots of courses from our childhood to till that, and these analysis will help to execute this. Okay, already we can see that choose the machine configuration to install Python. So based on two specific characteristics, max path limitations, bypass the two. Okay, close. Okay, our installation process has already been completed. Now I think our PyCharm download is already been done. I think so. Let's see. Yes, our PyCharm is already downloaded. We'll install PyCharm as well. Mm, okay. Let's see anything else we have to do it in PyCharm or not. I don't think so. It will execute automatic. We don't need to do much thing to install PyCharm. Yes, what I thought that is just next it, nothing to it. Create desktop icon, 60 feet dons, update content menu. Okay, dilam, create PPA file, update variable path, restart needed. Okay, add launch DL to path. That is all things that we will definitely do it. And one thing will happen after completing this, our installation process will be done, and maybe I have to restart my PC as well. Okay, install. So we really don't need to do anything. The system will automatic be installed in your PC, and we'll get back as soon as the PC restarts. And after that, in my next video, we will let you know how things are working. So we'll till now, thank you so much for your time, and I once request you to subscribe my channel. Let me know how my delivery or my videos are going to help you out. If you have any queries regarding my actually this is I don't want to make it a tutorial. I want to share my journey, how I have become a data scientist. So so that people those who are interested on this topic, they can see that is to overcome this journey, how and what are the challenges I faced and how I have overcome these challenges. So these will help the others. These will help actually people, the interested people, those who are interested on these data science topics. So don't take it as a tutorial. Let's talk, let's gossip, so that we can learn together. Thank you so much. And it's really blessings for me that it is I have come up with this kind of idea, and you guys will definitely support me, I know. Bye bye.